Welcome. This is a 10-minute morning yoga full body stretch for beginners and the inflexible. For this practice, you might want to have a few pillows and one block nearby. If you don't have those, be sure to check the description below for alternative props. Go ahead and grab those and we'll meet back here on the mat. When you're ready, we'll begin in a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, dropping the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, moving at your own pace and flowing through each pose, moving with the breath. Be present here, so we're not just moving, we're really acknowledging the body as we flow through each pose. And we'll gently begin to find some organic movement here, moving anywhere the body takes you. We'll come to a neutral spine, hips stay exactly where they are as we walk the hands towards the top of the mat. Melting the chest down, resting the forehead to the mat. Option to place the forehead on a block for added height and support if this pose does feel a bit intense today. Taking a moment here just to wake up the body, get a little bit into the shoulders. Slow inhales, slow exhales. And we'll release, coming back to our tabletop. Take your time. Inhale, right hand reaches up. Exhale, threading it underneath the left arm. Left hand reaches up towards the top corner of the mat. Once again, slow inhales. Slow exhales. Drawing the breath into the belly. Gently release. Take a moment. Switching sides. Inhale, left hand reaches up. Exhale, threading it underneath the right arm. Right hand reaches up towards the top corner of the mat. Gently release. Take a moment. Straighten the left leg, tucking the left toes. Spinning the right foot towards the right side of the mat as you open up towards your left. Now this might feel a little intense, so feel free to place a block underneath the right hand for a little more height. And wherever you are, left hand reaches up and over on an inhale. Drawing the breath into the belly. Once again, observing the body here, observing the stretch, observing the warmth happening, maybe in the arms and the legs, maybe even in the core. We'll exhale, release. Take a moment. When you're ready, switching sides. Right leg straightens, tucking the toes. Spinning the left foot back towards the left side of the mat. Opening up towards your right. On an inhale, right hand reaches up and over. Once again, observing the body here. We're not just being present here with the body and any sensations that do come up, whether it be warmth, feeling yourself getting strong here. Maybe you're feeling that stretch within the right side body. And we'll exhale, release. Take a moment. When you're ready, come to laying on your back. Hugging the knees towards the chest, big squeeze as close as you can comfortably get them. Option to rock side to side. We'll plant the feet, allowing the knees to fall open, bottoms of feet to touch. Rest here, or if it's a bit too intense today, no worries. Go ahead and place as many pillows as you need underneath the knees. This will help really elevate the knees here, so it'll take a little intensity out of the stretch. We'll begin to draw the breath into the belly. As you exhale, softening the spine, the mid-back and lower back. You might notice as you begin to soften the spine, as the spine finds its neutral, natural position, you might notice the stretch getting a little more intense, the knees getting slightly heavier. If you're using the pillows, really allow the pillows to support you here. and we'll gently release. Rocking the knees side to side. Give yourself a big hug. We'll grab the outer edges of the feet if it's accessible today. If not, keep the knees hugging in. And we'll rest here or open the feet for a happy baby pose. Option to rock side to side. We'll gently release. Take the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up and open. Using this time to acknowledge the body in its fully relaxed state. Observing any sensations here. Allowing yourself to be fully present with the body and breath. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes. Rocking the head side to side. Maybe rocking the knees side to side. Rolling over towards your right, full inhale. And exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.